Hey, Murray Smith here. Let me know when you can see it. Let me know. Can you see it? Right there it is. This unit is called the Remington Solar Sun Shock. It is chemical free. My pool is completely free of chlorine or bromine, and it is completely clear, even though the pool itself is painted green, which was kind of a weird decision by my developer. But nevertheless, it is crystal clear, and it has always been with the Remington Solar Sun Shock. I simply don't buy chlorine anymore. I just don't have to do it. So let me show you the product. This product is just so cool, it's hard to believe. You just really never have to buy chlorine again. Here's the solar panel on top, and this is where it generates a small electrical current that goes through the spiral rings below. And you can't even feel it in the pool. I mean, it's a very, very low current. What it does is it sheds the copper ions off of a copper stick into the pool. There's no way that algae, viruses, bacteria can grow in an ionized pool with copper in it. So here's the copper stick, nice and heavy. It just screws in underneath, and these are the copper ions that shut off. This stick will last about a year, and you can buy replacements for it for around $40. Okay, so now we're going to take the copper stick and look for the big end and screw it in. And it's a little hard to do with one hand here, but I've just screwed it in, and now I get the basket. And I take the basket, and it's going to take away any particles that become mineralized and drop off the copper stick. So I put that on, and then there's a little plastic screw-in cap that goes on the end, a little wing nut. So you take that and you screw that in tight, and once that's in, you're ready to go. You can also use our testing strips to find out how much copper is in the water, and it also comes with a little wire brush to scrape any of the residue that comes from the ionization process. So there you have it. You're ready to go. And once it's all screwed on tightly, you take it and you drop it in your pool, and you just let it sit there and do its job. Okay, so here we are back to my lagoon pool that's painted green, but you can see at the bottom everything is crystal clear. The water is completely clear, and the ionizer just floats and is shedding ions very quietly and carefully. My pool is completely clean. RemingtonSolar.com to get yours for only $129, if you can believe it. Compare that to the cost of chlorine and bromine, and drive your pool guy crazy when he comes to clean your pool and sees that the chlorine levels are 0, but your pool has no algae and it's perfectly clear. Hey, thanks so much for checking us out. Hey, please have a fantastic time in your pool and have a great, safe summer.